when to buy your seeds and where to buy them. I think the best this time to buy your seeds is during your winter months, when you don't have anything in your garden. Or in my case, during the previous season, and while you're growing your cold weather crops, purchase your warm weather crops. The reason for this is it will give you a better chance of getting the seeds that you want, as the seed company will be less likely to be out of stock. If they happen to be out of stock, you'll have a better chance of getting back in stock before your growing season starts. I like to buy my seeds online. I can get varieties I can't find in the big box stores. However, when I was first starting out, I was a little nervous about this, as I wasn't sure which sites were legitimate or what condition the seeds would be in when they arrived. Every gardener probably has their own slightly different list of favorite sites. Here are some of mine. First up is Baker's Creek with rareseeds.com. This is probably the one I buy from the most. I can get free seed packages with each purchase. And that's how I found my favorite lettuce to grow so far. Next on my list is the San Diego Seed Company. This is a small company that grows seeds specifically for the San Diego area in California. However, I found many of their plants do well in my environment here in Florida, such as this Black Magic Kale. So far, that company is the only place I've been able to find Black Magic Kale. They also are the ones who introduced me to my favorite type of kale, the Ethiopian kale. Finally, there's Territorial Seeds. I haven't had much interaction with this seed company, but they come highly recommended by a number of gardeners. I'll leave a list of seed companies I've purchased from in the description. I hope this tip has been helpful.